Someone called NASA ASAP. Kitty just discovered hydroponics. Take the hint, human. Of course sharing is caring.
Wonder why there's dogs, like, not wanting to go downstairs. Oh. Nah. Let the dogs down. Timon!
Holy pause or web detective. Either way, this is divine intervention.
Something that I like. Can you see it?
The Ultimate Hide and Seek Championship, Season 1000 and still counting. Stay tuned for more.
It gives it like that real rustic look.
It's a wide stance, my guy.
Peter Perker is in action. No worries, citizens. Cow. Welcome to the herbivore life. Dog. Sure, I bet.
So good and tasty.
Sir, access is denied until payment is made in tuna fish.
Do you like your pool?
Hot Boy Summer is cancelled. Soggy Boy Summer just stole the show. Who knew a nylon bag could meow? So scary.
Oh god. Oh god, Liam!
OMG, what is this car?
Whoa. Yes, I was talking to you. Can I just tell you that you was really great back then? And those guards, they thought they was all of that. Then you showed up and bam!
When a goat and a duck share a slice of bread, you know it's a true friendship. This tug of war is the ultimate doggy showdown. Who will come home the champion? The dairy cow is having his vocal training for the day. Music. This hen knows the future of travel is on a robot vacuum cleaner. Hat off to her.
Я тебя приду, скажу, где ты был. Встреча, долгожданная встреча.
Ну отстанет человек.
Сейчас.
The little deer must have a spring in his step, or else, how can he jump straight into our hearts? Let's vote to help him choose how to eat that peanut. Left, right, or middle? Puzzle solved. The cat is in the missing piece. Doberman's practicing for his role as head of the group.
The rent's due. Do you have your portion this month, or no?
The cat she didn't want is now the star of her photo album.